Hey guys, my name is Mikkel. Welcome to Pretty Healthy. Today we're making an old-fashioned sweet treat, but a healthier one. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they're pretty healthy. Today my sous chef is my good friend Walter. I promised him he could help with the desserts because he has such a sweet tooth. You ready, Walter? All right, let's go. Honestly, who doesn't love old-fashioned chocolate chip cookies? They're so easy to whip up, they're a classic, everyone loves them, and these are a little less guilty because they're vegan and gluten-free. Walter's very eager and excited, and he already mixed up my sugars and coconut oil for me. Thank you, Walter. You did a pretty good job. I use coconut sugar for half of this because coconut sugar is high in insulin, and insulin promotes the healthy bacteria in your gut, which is really cool. So as I finish mixing this up, go ahead and check out the rest of our ingredients. For our ingredients, we have hemp milk, sugar, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, potato starch, coconut oil, dairy-free dark chocolate chips, salt, and gluten-free flour. Okay, you saw the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them in. We have our vanilla extract, baking soda and baking powder, our salt, and then I'm adding potato starch because gluten-free flour obviously doesn't have gluten. Gluten is a protein, but it's also a binding agent. It's very sticky. So to keep these from being crumbly, the starch is gonna help hold our mixture together. Shout out to potatoes. Our gluten-free flour. And then for our milk, I am using hemp milk. Hemp milk is awesome because it can be used in place of milk in any recipe, and there's a ton of different benefits from it. Hemp seeds are high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and a single cup of hemp milk has half the calcium you need in a day. You can find hemp seeds at your grocery store in the bulk section. Also, if there's a healthy section, you can find them bagged. So I'm just gonna add that in too, and mix it all together. Don't look so excited, Walter. All right, now that this is mostly combined, I'm gonna add in my chocolate chips. These are dairy-free and they're dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate chips because not only in my opinion do they taste better, but dark chocolate chips have less sugar. And I like a lot, so. Yeah, that's right. No, that wasn't an accident. Yes, that's how many I use. You could also use your hands for this. It's kind of like playing with Play-Doh that you then get to eat. It is impressive how sticky it is, considering there's no gluten or eggs though. Now I have a baking sheet already lined over here, and I'm just gonna plop these guys on. I'm gonna do about a dozen or so. And if you're not afraid to get a little dirty, these do look even more beautiful using your hands. So you can kind of shape them the way you want them to come out. So these are done. These are gonna pop in the oven at 350 for just like 12 minutes. And while we wait for those, check out my healthy tip of the day. So we know that nut milks and seed milks are all the rage these days, but they can be kind of expensive, and sometimes there's some not nice hidden ingredients like sugars. So why not make some at home? All you need is a blender, and blenders come in all different price ranges, and it's so much easier than you ever would have thought to make it at home. Check online, there's tons of different recipes. So if you don't already have a blender, put in a little bit of research, see what's in your price range, and go ahead and get one, because you can use it for so many different things. All right, I pulled these out, I let them cool, and they're ready for my favorite part, the eating part. So Walter gets the smallest one. Sorry, Walter, you're just small. I'm like 20 times your size. There you go. That's cute, that's for you. And I get the other 11. And I might eat all of the other 11. I'm so excited, look at all the chocolate chips. I think I have a chocolate problem. Oh. These are so good. It is possible to have your favorite treats and make them less guilty by swapping a couple ingredients for some healthier ones, which is awesome. I've already done the hard work for you and recipe tested, so no excuse not to make these. You won't regret it. Cheers, Walt. See you next time.